Hello Imagine Cup, this is Ahmed Khan from Team Technocrats presenting Educating Dreams. These are the team members of Educating Dreams. Now let's get started. So the purpose of Educating Dreams is to increase the literacy rate of society and to bridge the gap between a common man and a welfare organization by knowing and making things transparent, and we want every person to be a savior of the world and their country. Okay, now what we want actually is to change this thought, the concept of a person, of a child we met on the street, after asking him many questions. When we asked him that why doesn't he study, so he told me that education is actually for the rich, sir. Actually this is the common thinking of a child who's begging in the street and saying that, oh my god, education is actually only for the rich and it's not for them. We actually want to change this perception. Okay, so moving on to Windows Cloud features that we use in Educating Dreams and increase the performance of our web interface and Windows Phone version of this application. So we use ASP.NET MVC4 architecture for this application. It keeps the code in a separate layer, the logic in a separate layer, the designing thing in a separate layer. So it gets very easy to manage the code. In this we can use JavaScript frameworks, we can use jQuery, we can use HTML5. So actually this actually enables and gives us a great power. Next we used Windows Azure Web Rules. Web rules are actually pre-configured, making it very easy to create applications using popular technology. Educating Dreams is an ASP.NET MVC4 application which is actually deployed as a web rule on Windows Azure Cloud. Moving on. Now, Educating Dreams is actually using table storage for Backend Database, which is much secure and much faster due to its NoSQL nature. Next, we are using blob storages to store our images. That actually makes our application much faster and secure, especially on Windows Phone 7 version of this Educating Dreams. Now, this is one of the most important features of cloud that we are using, ResfFul Webservices. Now, Educating Dream targets all major smartphone operating systems. We have used JSON as data format. So now what we can do is we can use the same logic that we used in Windows Phone and implement it on various other mobile applications. So now let's demo the app on both web interface and Windows Phone 7. Okay, so this is the web interface of Educating Dreams. Our young dreams are actually those children who wish to study but cannot study due to certain reasons. Our welfare organizations are registered and listed over here. Our top saviors of this replication that are actually reporting children, and this is the sign up menu. You can sign up over here being a welfare or being a normal savior. Now let's log in with the savior's account right now and log in. Okay, so this is the main home page of a savior. Right now here you can see the young dreams that are being reported by other people. At the profile page you can edit your profile, and on the top saviors you can see who the top saviors are of this application right now. You can see your own status in this application, and then on the Young's Watch you can actually see a map, and on that map you can see how many young dreams are being reported throughout the world. This is the main page of user. Now let's log out from it and log in from a welfare organization's account. Okay, so this is actually a welfare organization page, much similar to other pages. You can see the home page over here, profile page, and this support young dreams. You can see the children that are being reported by people. You can take the responsibility of educating them. They'll be moved on to your insert page. Over here you can actually help them out, and then after you have found them, they'll be moved to your saved young dreams. Like these are the children that are actually being saved by your organization, and then other features are actually the same ones. Your status and Young's Watch, these are actually the same features as we saw in Saviour's page.